How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going back on a job where I ran a service call over the weekend and I found the blower motor not turning on like it's supposed to. So the circuit board is faulty, it had 24 volts going into it, the relay just wasn't closing. So I hardwired the blower to run continuously so they can get some air conditioning until I come back out today. I also noticed the blower wheel's dirty, so I'm gonna pull the wheel, clean that, I'm gonna replace the circuit board, and then I'm gonna do a general maintenance on the entire system just to make sure everything's looking good. Let's do some work. All right, so that went pretty smooth. So again, all I really had to do was just replace the circuit board, clean the blower wheel. The blower wheel wasn't even really that dirty, but you know, it's a quick rinse off, kind of scrub a little bit, just where you don't get the buildup over time. I'd rather maintain a clean blower wheel than to wait till it's really dirty. The housing wasn't super bad, so I didn't worry about that. Just got it up and running, checked everything out. It's good to go. So hope you guys got something out of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, see you later.